walyande ddala.
Do you know that song in the background?
Yes.
How is it called?
Strength of a woman.
Oh, can you give me a verse?
No, I'm not good at singing.
So amazing how this world was made. I wonder if God is a woman. How are you?
I'm okay.
How is the movie?
Good, good.
I'm saying the style this reggae ragga nyam nyam. Does it match with the theme?
Yeah, I tried with the sweater.
Okay.
Yeah.
How do you see the fashion around today?
Well, I've not yet gone around. I've just arrived, but I trust the event. They never disappoint.
You know the theme is reggae ragga nyam nyam.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you here to nyam nyam? Are you here to be nyam nyam? Oh.
I'm here to nyam.
Come with the nyam nyamist, or you picking the nyam nyam?
No, I'm here to nyam nyam the meat. Yes. No.
Okay, well, we're talking about the lineup tonight. We have Cindy, we have King Michael, we have Viper Ranking.
Yeah, I'm excited to see Cindy, Viper Ranking, and the Baker Band. Yeah.
Okay. Which song of the three have you mentioned? Okay, let's leave a Baker Band because they always redo people's songs. But we have Viper Ranking and Cindy. Which songs are you looking forward?
I just hope that Viper Ranking would be able to perform with Winnie Nwaji. Yes, their song is what I'm looking forward to. And Cindy, I love Cindy's music. I love her performance overall.
Okay.
Yeah.
Enjoy your night.
Thank you.
Hello.
One of the makeup artists we know in Uganda.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
Reggae ragga nyam nyam.
Obula ne title search tegede nze buzi.
The mistaken identities we have in this studio.
Not my dear. Wali swangs nga balina roast and rhyme oba bagithemize oba tebagithemize tujja.
Hey, you just appear.
Yes, for as long as it's roast and rhyme and strictly Ugandan music, yeah, I come.
You'll be there.
Yes.
Or you say I'm coming.
I'm coming. I've already come. So I didn't know. So I'm here.
You're here.
I'm here. Ogenda kumpe muzakwe nga jontwala.
The people will say Zungu tamu.
But I came. Yeah.
So tonight we sing a lot of fashion. So far, what have you expressed with the fashion around?
No, I love how Ugandans respect the theme. Nze kati personally nade nasooka noonya sente za tiketi ebya theme nembisa wabbali naye abaana bambadde obuntu. That's nice. That's nice.
You feel like now it's nga wabitegedde.
Naye nabitegedde. Nze ndi wa Lubugo oba Kikoyi na Uganda. Yes.
Okay, enjoy your night.
Thank you. Mwabale kujja bitnyo.
Hello, 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 hello. How are you?
Hi.
It's okay.
Yeah, fine.
Look alike. Are you twins?
Yeah, it is.
Now, who's Nakato? Who's Babi?
Baby, yeah? Nakato, yeah.
So that means you came out first.
Yeah.
And who leads?
Who leads? What do you mean? Always the elder leads, like, yeah.
Do you feel sometimes you want to lead?
Okay, yeah. Sometimes. It depends. Maybe in class or something else. Yeah, it depends.
Who's the most stubborn here?
Okay.
You're the most stubborn. And who leads always gives command?
No one. This one. No, we are free. Oh my god, I'm free spirit. No.
Okay, tonight we are attending a Reggae Ragga Nyam Nyam and Uganda. Are you not from Uganda, but am I right?
Yeah, Rwanda.
Where are you from?
Rwanda.
Oh, how is Rwanda?
Fine.
Did you come specifically for this or were you here? It found you here?
No, we found us here.
What did you come to do?
We stayed here from here, then we go back.
Do you know some Luganda?
Jamaleko.
Only that. Okay. So tonight we have a lineup of Cindy, Viper Ranking, and Michael. Who is your best on that? Let me start with
Viper Ranking.
because of the body.
No, he's giving, you know, the voice is giving.
And you?
I'm Cindy. Okay, she's a good performer on stage. Yeah.
Okay. The theme is Reggae Ragga Nyam Nyam. Are you here to nyam nyam? Are you here to be nyam nyam?
Nyam nyam, eh? We'll find out.
Okay, enjoy your night.
Likewise.
We are in a Reggae Ragga Nyam Nyam. The lineup is big. We have King Michael, we have Cindy, we have Viper Ranking, we have Abeka Band and Double Black. Who of that team inspired you to come today?
Of course, the legendary, the King herself, Cindy. Yeah, then Abeka Band. Yeah, and I'm here to have fun. I can't miss Roast and Rhyme. Yeah, just know.
You are a man with the fashion we're having tonight. How do you see the fashion sense of today?
I've just come in, but so far I'm impressed, and I'm hopeful. I'm yet to see other people, but I'm hopeful, at least for what I've seen. Yeah, I'm hopeful. Yeah.
So from what you've seen today, your agenda for coming today has been approved.
Approved. Actually, it is more than I expected, and I'm expectant. I'm going to have fun. I'm going to see beautiful people around. Yeah.
You're going to Nyam Nyam.
Nyam Nyam. Yeah, of course. That's why we are here.
Are you here to Nyam Nyam?
I mean the meat.
Some guys come here to be Nyam Nyam, others to be Nyam Nyam.
Me, I'm still enjoying my life. You know, I don't want stress. So, yeah, because if you never know, if I had, I would not be here. Yeah, but now I have the freedom to come whenever I want. There's no one who's going to ask me why I'm going back home late. So yeah, I'm still enjoying this.
Unless you're taking someone home.
No, 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 I'm not intending to do that.
So how is the music so far? We have music in the
Just know everything is nice. Sound is good. Drinks are everywhere. Meat is everywhere. Just know, I'm seeing happy people. You can see around.
And the ladies.
Yeah. They are trying to attempt me, but I won't be tempted. I'll make sure I don't get tempted.
But they're trying.
Yeah, they are trying to. Of course, yeah, I know some people come to this.
The reason why you put on shit.
Yeah, I don't want. I want to see, but I don't want to be seen.
Enjoy your night.
Thank you.
I come for an interview.
It's a real test, so every time we link up like this, and I said, money over war, a life of darkness. So me a sing along. Hey. Original. Can you go? Balance on the center, just like a show. City them can't me go see you gonna go. Love go in a close and you pass it. And money just a clean. Come. And when you walk in, you get it. Only come on and try you to make sure the cash come. Me tell you what. Get no girl them a right on the same good. You way on them, get them right the breast bone. And girl load the neighbor out. And me up the neighbor, turn the neighbor. Come here, balance on the head. But no good, not up, girl them good. Put it up. Me tell Panja, them call me Makia Ban. Dance all Maradona, me never done. Freestyle session can be the champion. Last time me never lose out. Me tell you no. Now me talk about when dance all. Makia Ban me there like a general. Sing to the world, me never get style. I saw me never matter. Me tell you no. It's such a blessing every time they link up in the today. Master, we don't want to say what we put in one day, we have my way with. When I'm back here, and they get to look from Kawempe. I have put us in Grammy. I have put us in BET. My number one dancer. I never told you no Kumanya. Vibes scattered away, coming out of Vendida. We are gonna link up and do a collaboration anytime. This is Mad and Sick. Big up on yourself, Sons Avenue. Big up on yourself, Ross and Ryan. Double Black, the guitar man, keyboard, the drum, bassline. But if you talk about it, Al-Qaeda, Mac the other me they a eat. Hotter than a fire, hotter than a frying pan. Never give it away me ya, so me ya tell you no. Dash out, rock out. Sing a little rhythm, me they a so. Count and a rhythm, can't never go. Me a little self you go. We never gonna bust how we go. Everybody know we are the rock. again. Girl, I wanna be more than afraid. Double black, give me some. Now in 2016, lost and right forever, babe. One time again, double black in the building, ladies and gentlemen. You know what it is, ladies and gentlemen. This one right here is what I'd say in-house band. Turn your lights down low and pull your window curtain. Say, oh, let the moon come shining into our lives again. Say it, ooh, it's been a long, long time. I got this message for you, girl. Hey. legend. Now we're doing a tribute to the one and only Rasta. As we do believe Rastas never die. Greetings in this name is Emperor Selassie I. Jah Rastafari. Yeah. Right about now, still remembering the baddest in the game. Peter Morgan, Straight Doctor, Morgan, Heritage. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Peter. Say rest in peace, Peter. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. I write that song right now. Yeah. I know you don't have to dread to be Rasta. You don't have to dread. This is not a dreadlocks thing. Divine conception of your heart. Yeah. You don't have to dread to be Rasta. This is not a dreadlocks thing. Divine conception of your heart. Let me say, hey, release and path for the liberty. Leave by the fathers of our history. According to just in the prophecy, trust in the power of the Trinity. Got to believe in His Majesty. Oh yes, His knowledge and divinity. And His announcement. The first step is serenity. No one was said to royalty. Hey. I don't have the dread to be Rasta. Yeah. Don't have the dread. This is not a dreadlocks thing. Divine conception of your heart. Don't have the dread to be Rasta. Yeah. Don't have the dread. This is not a dreadlocks thing. Divine conception of your heart. Yeah. Don't be afraid, don't you ever burn it.
Hey, beautiful. How are you?
I'm okay, how are you?
You good?
I'm good.
How is Rosan, right?
It's good so far, though I've just arrived, but everything is looking good.
I love the color.
Thank you.
Are you here for fun, fashion, or looking for?
Now, first and foremost is for fun, and then to see fashion, to experience a lot of things. Cause I had taken time and coming here, but it's really something good.
Which one did you last see time?
The one that last attended, I think, I'm even not yet sure.
You're not sure.
Like 2 years or 1 year back.
Have you been in the country?
No, not really. I'm not around. I'm not from here. I'm from Rwanda, so most of the times I'm not around here.
You came all the way from Rwanda to attend Rosan, right?
It just for me around.
But how do you compare it here and back home in Rwanda? The partying side.
No, the partying thing would be the same, but in Rwanda, it's not like they prepare a lot of things like this, big events like this, where people come so many like this. So it's so rare, and not that common like that. Yeah.
And with our music?
Oh, the music is good, and I love the theme. Yeah, reggae.
Reggae Ragga.
Yeah. I
Have
love
you been nyam-nyammed before? Are you here to be nyam-nyammed? Or are you going to nyam-nyam?
No, I'm obviously not here to be nyam. No.
But will you nyam-nyam?
No, some meat maybe and chicken. Yeah. No.
Let's talk about the fashion you're putting on. You're a designer.
I'm my designer myself. Yeah.
It's okay if we go into the coast? The brass? Oh,
No, I'll just give you 360. But the rest, let's leave it there.
enjoy your day.
Yeah. Thank you.
So many beautiful, extremely talented artists only. I'm talking Viper ranking, Cindy kind of level. You get what I'm saying? So tonight, ladies and gentlemen, just allow me to shout out Bell Lager, Aquafina. We'll be live for the people that did not pull up here tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, big up on yourself one time. This one is Avenue since 2016. If you just came in here tonight, you will correct me if I'm not, about 7 years of non-stop, but you know, great vibes. Polar enjoy. DJ Sean, as we get ready for Areka, not Areka yet. That's right. Double black. You know, imagine black but double. You get me? It is what for live music. You should know that. Mostly
Reggae party.
Uganda.
This one belongs to you.
Yes,
You
sir.
and you.
One word.
Came across and got around AI, but none of them still got me eye. You get a one and I'm living my life. AI, you want to show me bits and the culture, so let me take you to a country with me.
But just sing. Yes, sir.
The eyes of the world are watching, also with you. Our hearts are with you. Say no to a partner.
For having the sign language champion over here. So thank you so much for joining us. Tonight, we do have so many big performances. I'm trying to take a big bad day to enjoy free Wi-Fi by UG. Of course, making sure that Wi-Fi is available for each and everyone who came out here tonight. We thank you. We love you. Once again, Songs Avenue told me to tell you that this is our 20th edition of Rust and Rhyme. Make some noise for Songs Avenue! Hey, we are still in class one. We love Shakespeare. But something close to poetry that is even a better language is the use of instruments. And something that Songs Avenue really goes on, because it is going to be a very easy chill night, chill evening. I love to see each and every one of you looking amazing in your best fashion, cooking the beats. That's a very big pillar of what we do here at Western Rhyme. Cooking our own meat and bringing it here. While you do what you got, your mama give you. Baby, j'appelle you the little food, the way it is sweet. You want you to be so sweet, buddy. Do your shape and do your wine body. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise. Put your hands up together for a man that has a soft spot in each and every one of our hearts when he plays this thing. We think of one. myself, whatever you do, we get to dance with a happy dance. Happy dance, positive vibes only. DJ ready when you are. Yes, I know money, but your religion ain't that thing of you. And of course, Reggae Ragga. For our enjoyments, we've been doing a lot of things. Supporting Uganda music has been a thing for a very long time. I remember we used to do something called Zikiza. I know some of you guys enjoyed that show so much. So thank you so much, Bell, for picking up on yourself, for making sure you want to because you don't have too much time. Capital FM, big up on yourself. Afro Mobile, yes and we'll be live on Afro Mobile. I don't know if we're live yet, but in a bit, we should be live on Afro Mobile. For people who are always listening out to good things like this, they get to enjoy it. We got some great G, big up on yourself. Living unlimited, they say. Enjoy free Wi-Fi right there. So I hope you're enjoying Wi-Fi while you hashtag us and tag us. For our enjoyments, Songs Avenue, make sure we enjoy. And tonight, just to keep you up to speed with who is performing tonight, and I just, like I said, is passing by. I know girls, of course, we got DJ Shot with the vibrations if you're performing tonight. Of course, Double Black.
Roast and ride.
I want us to bring the crowd down the joint there. Make sure you enter the crowd. So we don't start so.
Mosoka, boss. You're smart. Look up on yourself. Yeah. You Mosoka, boss. You're smart. Yeah. I have to get that thing.
Cukam.
Hicho cha buraka.
Wali bazibyeyo mbadde naye bigenda kwekweka.
Happy. Kabula ku mikolo naye.
Aye bamulesa akole sayini.
Atandikidde eno zikola se. Happy.
We're going to celebrate German tonight, our vibration. Reggae Ragga